Did you know that without an operating agreement, Florida law decides how your LLC runs, not you? Hi, I'm Anila Rasul, attorney and founder of ASR Law Firm here in Florida, where we help our small business and entrepreneurial clients protect their companies and their legacies. Today, I wanted to talk quickly about something that most LLC owners overlook, and that's their operating agreement. If you're one of the many people who formed an LLC in Florida, even if you're the only owner, you absolutely need an operating agreement. Not because the state requires it per se, but because without it, Florida's default laws will govern your business. And trust me, those default rules don't always reflect what you intend or what's best for your company. So let's break it down. First, what is an operating agreement? Think of it as a blueprint for your company. It lays out rules on ownership, decision making, profit sharing, what happens if a member wants out, or if things go south. Two, can you write it yourself? Well, technically, yes, but DIY agreements are often vague and have conflicting terms, and you can land in a court if there's ever a dispute. So, a well drafted agreement tailored to your business's needs will prevent confusion and protect your rights. Can you change it? Absolutely. As your business grows or changes, you can amend the agreement. But any changes or amendments must be in writing and be signed by all the members. Do you need to file it with the state? No, this is not like your articles of organization. The operating agreement is an internal document, but it's still crucial, especially when opening a bank account or needing to prove ownership of the business. What if you're the only member of your LLC? You still need an operating agreement. It shows that your business is completely separate from your personal assets, and it also helps to maintain that limited liability protection. And here's a quick tip. Your operating agreement should be updated regularly to reflect any new members, changes in management, or even updates in law. Here at ASR Law Firm, we help Florida businesses draft, review, and update their operating agreements regularly so that everything aligns with their goals and protects not just their businesses, but their personal asset plans as well. If you're unsure whether your LLC is fully protected, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching. And if you found this information helpful, please like, comment, or share it with someone else who might find it useful as well.